Hello students, today we are starting the next practical question of hire purchase. The link of the question is given in description box. You are requested to download it and read it. So in the question it is given that Raj Transport Limited has purchased 3 tempo from Tata Motors and the cost of each tempo it is given 50,000 rupees on 1st April 2017. A down payment is made by the Raj Motor at the time of purchase of rupees 30,000 and balance in 3 equal installment along with interest at the rate of 9% per annum. Raj Tempo has paid the first installment and at the time of second installment he could not pay the second installment which is due on 31st March 2019. So that in this case, if the purchaser has not paid any of the installment, it is the right of the hired seller to repossess the goods, and Tata Motor has repossessed 2 tempos on 1/4/2009, adjusting its value at the rate of 30% depreciation. The depreciation as per the Raj Transport it is 20% on diminishing balance method, and for the repossession, for the calculation of the value of the repossession, the Tata Motors has depreciated the 2 tempos at the rate of 30% on diminishing balance method. And we have to prepare the ledger account in the books of Raj Transport for the 3 years, that is 17-18, 18-19 and 19-20. Let's start. First it is preparation of analysis table. First we will prepare the analysis table and on the date of 1st April 2017 Raj Transport had purchased 3 tempo and the cost of each tempo is 50,000. So the cost of 3 tempo it is 50,000 multiplied by 3. So it comes to how much? 1,50,000 rupees. At the time of purchase, Raj Transport has paid down payment of rupees 30,000 rupees. And this 30,000 rupees, it is the total amount of down payment for 3 tempos. We will deduct it and the balance amount it is how much? 1,20,000. This balance amount is paid in 3 equal installment. So the one installment amount it is 40,000, that include only the cash price, and the interest is to be added at the rate of 9%. So the cash price in installment it is how much? 40,000. Interest is to be calculated on the balance amount, that is 1,20,000 multiplied by 9%. So it comes to around 10,800. So the installment which is paid by the hire purchaser on 31st March 2018 will be 50,800. So the purchaser will pay on 31st March 2018 final installment of rupees 50,800 to hire seller, that is Tata Motors, and at the end of the first year the balance amount due as on 1/4/2018 it is how much? 80,000 rupees. The hire purchaser again the hire seller will charge the interest on the balance amount, that is 80,000 rupees. On 80,000 it is 9%, so it comes to how much? 7,200. Cash price in installment is how much? 40,000 rupees, and will plus it interest. So the installment on 31st March 2019 was rupees 47,200, but Raj Limited has not paid the second installment, so we will stop our analysis table. We have to prepare our analysis table up to the date of the default, and after that we don't need to prepare the analysis table. So we will stop our analysis table here only. So we have to prepare necessary ledger account in the books of Raj Transport. Raj Transport Limited, it is a hire purchaser. The first ledger account it is the asset account. The asset is tempo. So we will prepare tempo account. So on 1st April 2017 tempo is purchased from Tata Motors. So entry will be Tempo account debit to Tata Motors account. The total cash price of the Tempo it is how much? 1,50,000 rupees. And in Tata Motors account, it will go on the credit side by Tempo account. Amount it is how much? 1,50,000. Date it is 1st April 2017. On the same date, Raj Transport has paid the down payment to Tata Motors. The entry in the books of hire purchaser will be Tata Motors account debit to bank account. So we will write on 1/4/2017 to bank account. The amount of down payment it is how much? 30,000. Then it is the interest due at the end of the first year. Interest it is an expense for the hire purchaser. Expense is debited and it is to be paid to whom? Tata Motors. So entry will be interest account debit to Tata Motors. So we'll write on 31st March 2018. It is by interest account. The amount of interest at the end of first year it is how much? 10,800. And Raj Limited has paid its first installment on 31st March 2018. So we'll write Tata Motors account debit to bank account. The amount of first installment it is how much? 50,800. And the balance on 31st March 2018, which is to be paid by the Raj Transport, it is equal to balance carried down. So we will calculate the amount. It is 1,50,000 plus 10,800, so it comes to how much? 1,60,800. 1,60,800 minus 30,000 minus 50,800. 50,800. So it comes to how much? 80,000 rupees. Again, the purchaser will charge depreciation on 31st March 2018. It is depreciation account debit to Tempo account. So we'll write on the credit side of Tempo by depreciation. The rate of depreciation is 20% on written down value method. So here the value it is how much? 1,50,000 multiplied by 20%. So it comes to how much? 30,000. Closing value at the end of the first year, it is equal to 1,50,000 minus 30. It is equal to 1,20,000. Now we'll open the books in second year. So we'll write as on 1/4/2018 to balance brought down 1,20,000, and the balance of Tata Motor as on 1/4/2018 it is by balance brought down, it is how much? 80,000. In the next day, it is the first calculation it is of interest on 31st March 2018 by interest account, and the amount of interest it is 80,000 per 9%. It becomes to how much? 7,200. But the installment is not paid by Raj Transport, and the asset has been used by the Raj Transport, so he will charge depreciation on 31st March 2019 by depreciation account. The depreciation is on return down value. Return down value it is 1,20,000, and the rate of depreciation as per the purchaser it is 20%. So it comes to how much? 24,000. Now the repossession of the goods in the question it is being given is done on 1st April 2019. So we will close the books 31st March 2019 by balance carried down. So 1,20,000 minus 24,000, so it comes to how much? 96,000. So it is 1,20,000. And again we will close the Tata Motors account on 31st March 2019 to balance brought down. So the total value it is how much? 87,200. In the third year we will open the book as on 1/4/2019 by balance brought down. How much it is? 87,200. And the value of the asset as on 1/4/2019 it is to balance brought down, it is 96,000. Now on 1st April 2019 Tata Motors repossessed 2 tempo out of 3 tempo, and it has valued the 2 tempo at the rate of 30% depreciation. So then we will be calculating the value of the repossession. The date it is 1st April 2017. 1 tempo cost rupees 50,000. So 2 tempo will cost how much? 1 lakh rupees. So we will write the cash price of 2 tempo, it is how much? 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Depreciation on first year at as per the purchaser it is 20%. So it comes to how much? 20,000. And as per seller it is 30%. So it comes to how much? 30,000. So the value as on 1/4/2018 as per purchaser the value of the 2 tempo is 80,000, and as per seller the value of 2 tempo it is 70,000. Again the depreciation is charged to 20% on written down value, it comes to how much? 16,000, and as per 30% it comes to how much? 21,000. So the value of 2 tempo as on 1/4/2019 in the books of purchaser it was how much? 64,000, but the hire seller has valued 2 tempo at the rate of how much? 49,000. So this is the value of repossession. So there is a loss of hire purchaser and loss on repossession. It is equal to 64,000 minus 49,000. So we will deduct it, and the amount it is how much? 15,000. So loss on the repossession it is 15,000. We will pass the entry of repossession on 1/4/2019. Entry will be Tata Motors account debit to Tempo account. So in Tempo account we are writing by Tata Motors. The value of repossession it is how much? 49,000. Loss on repossession it is equal to by P&L account. It is how much? 15,000. And only 1 tempo is left with the purchaser. Here the entry of repossession will be Tata Motors account debit. In the debit side we will write 1/4/2019 to Tempo account, and the value of repossession is how much? 49,000. So the value of 2 tempo on 1/4/2019 it is 64,000, and as per our calculation the value of 1 tempo will be 32,000. Let us check whether the balance amount in the asset account it is 32,000 or not. It is 96,000 minus 49,000 minus 15,000. So it is 32,000. Our calculation is correct. Next, it is the entry of interest. Interest will be charged on 31st March 2020 by hire seller on the amount outstanding. To buy interest, now we'll check what is the balance amount. Total amount due, it is 87,200 minus value of the goods repossessed, it is how much? 49,000 multiplied by 9%. So we'll calculate the balance amount. The balance amount, it is 87,200 minus 49,000. So it comes to how much? 38,200. For 87,200 minus 49,000. It is equal to 38,200 multiplied by 9%. So it comes to how much? 3,438. And the amount of installment as on 31st March 2019 will be to bank account. That is, first is it is the balance amount. Balance amount 87,200 minus 49,000. So it is 38,200 plus amount of interest, it is 3,438. So plus 3,438. So it comes to how much? 41,638 is the final installment. Amount of final installment which is paid by the hire purchaser on 31st March 2020. So let's tally, check tally. It is 41,638 plus 49,000. It is 90,638. 87,200 plus 3,438. Again 90,638. Here, so it is the Raj Transport has paid entire amount due on the last installment, and with that the Tata Motors account is closed. Still there is a one tempo left with the Raj Transport, so he will be calculating the closing value on 31st March 2020 by depreciation. So the opening value of one tempo, we had calculated the opening value of two tempo was 64,000. So the opening value of one tempo is 64,000 divided by 2. So it comes to how much? 32,000. Because the depreciation is based on the return down value method, so we will be calculating depreciation on 32,000 multiplied by 20%. So it comes to how much? 6,400. And on 31st March 2020, the closing value of tempo, it is equal to balance carried down. So it will be how much? Around 25,600. Let's check it. 96,000 minus 49,000 minus 15,000 minus 6,400. So it comes to how much? 25,600. So now the asset account is also closed. So that was it in this question. We'll solve the next type of question, that is the next method in hire purchase, that is stock and debtors method. We'll solve stock and debtors method in the next class. For today, it's okay, and thank you.